Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can configure Firewall in Kali Linux to protect unauthorized SSH access. If you want to know more about how to install Firewall on Kali Linux, then you can click on the I button. Let's use the list services command, and for now you can see that the SSH service is allowed. So let's do one thing. Let's try to start the SSH service on our machine using the systemctl start SSH command. Now the SSH service is running. Also, let me check my IP address. So for that, I'll use the ifconfig command, and this is my IP. Let's now go to my Windows machine and try to connect with this user with the username as Kali followed by the IP address as 192.168.4.12. If I hit enter, I'll be asked to say yes or no. And once I say it, I have to provide the password. And after providing the password, you can see that we are logged in as Kali user. Now, if I exit from here and come to my Kali machine and now try to remove the SSH service. So let's remove this service using this command. And now if you use the list services command, you will not find the SSH over here. So let's again try to connect with the SSH Kali@IP command. And this time you will see that the SSH service is still looking to connect on the server, but it's not able to connect because the server has employed a firewall which is trying to block the communication coming towards your device. So in this situation, you might get an error saying that connection timed out. As you can see, connection timed out. So the port 22, even the SSH protocol is still running. If you want to confirm, you can confirm the same by using the status command. You will find the SSH is still running, but in this case, why you are not able to access is because of the firewall. If you want to join the live practical focus training on Kali Linux, then you can contact us on the number shown on the screen.